pretty early in the morning, so I think that a lot of places are still pretty closed. But I mean, yeah, we're gonna see if there's something open and go get some breakfast because I'm hungry and I need my morning coffee. So yeah, let's see where we're gonna find. And yeah, I have some more plans for today, but that's for another video. And yeah, I think we can begin. Let's go get some breakfast. Okay, we got the food. There's starting to be a little bit more people now, but whatever. Okay, I got two things. This is some kind of focaccia with veggies inside, and I think there's also some chicken. I'm not sure though. And we're gonna try it. It's steaming hot. Oh my god. And it's so soft too. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's better. There's like veggies inside. I also got this. I don't really know what this is. I mean, it's called Songci, I'm not sure. I'm sorry. There's rice, and I think it's filled with pork. But I really didn't quite catch that, so we're gonna see. It's like opening a little present. Oh, it's like sticky rice, I think. Okay, this is definitely a lot different than I expected. It's like yellow and it's very, very sticky. Oh wait, there's a filling too. I don't really know what this is. Oh, this is like sweet. It's a berry. What is this? Is that a plum? I think it's a plum. I'm really not sure though. Okay, that thing was so good actually. I wasn't really sure at the beginning because I feel that I wasn't really expecting to taste something sweet because it was very sweet actually. But you know what? It was so good. It was slightly honey-y. Honey? Is that how you say it? I don't know. Wait, let me not get invested. Ran over, sorry. Sun, okay. Yeah, it was actually very good. It really left me such a sweet feeling, you know, in my mouth. And I really, really enjoy it. I don't really know what that was. I'm gonna research more, and probably you already know everything because I put captions. So, yeah. Okay. Spring is finally here, and it's actually a beautiful day in Milan today. Called your granddad on his birthday. Okay, I think it's time to get some lunch. Yeah, let's go. Oh my, I'm so excited. Okay, this is these are 35 That's a lot of mini buns. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Okay, 35. Oh my god, these are so many mini buns, and underneath them, underneath the bowl, there's plum juice. Okay, this looks amazing. It's actually crazy good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's try these. It's like they're tiny little dumplings. Okay, wait, can you see it? It's so good. I think it's pork filled, which normal. It is so good. Oh my god. I don't know if this is a format that is common in, I'm gonna say Asia, because I don't really know where this format comes from. I think it's like a Chinese thing, but I'm not sure. I gotta research on that. And they have like a little crispy bottom. They're so tiny. Wait, they're like an eyeball size. Is that like a good image for you? I don't know. Okay, let's try the juice. Okay, I've never tried plum juice. It's actually so good. It's so sweet, but it's not really disturbing. Like, it's not the disturbingly sweet juice. It's just sweet. Yeah. But it's very good. There are little flowers in it. I have no idea what they are. Let me know in the comments. They're so pretty. They're literally so cute. And I love the format. If I'd be walking around, this would be perfect. I have to film this video, so I have to stay here and show it to you. But if I had to like walk around in the city, I could with this one. And the plum juice is so refreshing, and it's perfect for today. It's so, it's very warm. I wouldn't say I'm sweating. It's a beautiful day. There's not a single cloud, and of course is very warm. And this is so refreshing. It's fresh. It's perfect. Sweet. It's gonna give me some energy. It's such a beautiful day today. You really can see how much more lively this kind of part of the city gets during lunchtime. Like, it's insane. There's so many people. I know that it's made for me, but it's all in my hands, baby. It's still all in my hands, baby. I know about the place to be. I know that it's made for me, but it's all in my hands, baby. It's still all in my hands, baby. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I got a lot of food, actually. I don't really know what... Okay, so this is jjajangmyeon. I've heard it all over YouTube in Korean food. We have the sauce, and I think, yeah, we have the sauce in the noodles. And I have to kind of mix it. Okay. Oh. Hello. This is the situation. Okay, we have the noodles with something. What is this? I have no idea what we're gonna see. And the sauce. No idea how to assemble this though. Wait. Okay, we're gonna. Okay, this is very brothy, and I don't remember this being this brothy. I've never seen it with this much broth. But what am I supposed to do? Like dump this in? I have no idea. Okay, I think it was the other way around. Looks, oh, sorry. I know that this is disrespectful. Okay, sorry, like I did a little bridge. I'm a mess, you guys know that. Okay, let's try this. My trousers, whatever. It's actually very good. It's slightly sweet. It has like a kind of a caramel note. I can see onions, I guess pork, I'm not sure, but I guess it's pork. Spring onions, some carrots, I mean veggies in general, I guess, and yeah, some pork. Yeah, it's actually very, very good. Look how glossy that is. So glossy, I love it. Ooh. Okay. I love street food. I'm not a street food person though, because I cannot eat it without making a mess. When I usually see it on like YouTube videos or stuff, the sauce is very, very thick and dense. That's why I just don't really know what version of the dish this is. Maybe it's like a different version which is more soupy or something. I don't know. Like I'm generally, I have no knowledge in this, honestly. Oh, this is good though. This is very good. Little droplets of sauce. I hate it, but I love the sauce, so. Okay, I just picked up some stuff that I need to gift to a friend of mine, and I wanted to show you like the sauce. I'm literally going around with the sauce like of the jjajangmyeon that we ate, because in a way I'm wasting it, and it was so much, and I don't want to waste anything. I mean, most of it's in here, and maybe tonight I'll make some fried rice. I still have to see. And why am I in the middle of the road, by the way? Okay, yeah. We have a train to catch, so let's go. See you later. I don't know when, but see you later. Hi. Okay. It's currently 7:30. We're perfect for dinner, for dinner time, and I'm gonna make some fried rice with, wait, I have it here, with the jjajangmyeon sauce that like I took from Milan earlier. You can, oh my god, wait. Let me not spill this all over the floor and all over me. But yeah, I think we can cook some fried rice. Let's go. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's break this bad boy up. Ugh. I also want to add a spoonful of, maybe a little less than a spoonful of gochujang, since we have it, and I want it a little spicy. Okay. Ooh! Do we have some crispy bits? I think so. Thought that it would have been kind of fun to present it in the cup of the noodles, like street food, you know? It looks so good. Oh my god, wait. Okay, let's eat. Okay. It looks amazing. It looks so good. Okay. And it's smoking hot. Can you see the... I think you can see it actually. Okay, let's try it. Oh! Okay. It's so hot. Okay, wait. I mean, not spicy. It's just like so... It's like smoking hot. I think I can taste the sauce better now than today for some reason. I think it's because like we reduced it a little bit in the pan, and I think like by reducing it you concentrate the flavor more, I guess so. Look at the bite. Look how beautiful this is. Oh. Oh my god. I mean, I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna go edit a little bit and then I'm gonna go to bed because today was intense and my tummy is full and happy.